In today's constantly evolving housing market, multifamily buildings are increasingly important. Ensuring the longevity of new and existing structures is critical for developers and tenants alike. Today, Uponor is helping support the construction and renovation of these essential structures, creating safer, more efficient, and cost-effective places to live. Uponor understands that whether it's a 2-story duplex or a 40-story apartment building, the costs of installation and maintenance are significant. Our lightweight, in-suite PEX piping installs faster and easier with fewer connections for better performance. It also integrates with our larger diameter pipe offerings, such as risers and mains, moving water flawlessly from the water main to every faucet. Uponor's complete polymer solutions are durable and sustainable, resisting corrosion and scale buildup. All of this comes together to increase installation efficiencies while reducing maintenance costs over the life of the structure. But dependable products are only part of the solution. The Uponor design services and support teams are also experts at maximizing efficiencies for piping layouts and providing the product knowledge needed for every application. And beyond domestic water and mechanical piping systems, Uponor radiant heating and cooling can transform every room with energy-efficient comfort. This radiant technology also works well for keeping sidewalks free of snow and ice. Best of all, the 25-year PEX and 25-year PPR-CT warranties offer peace of mind and confidence in a solution that's designed to last for decades. Whether it's housing for 2 families or 2,000 families, Uponor is committed to creating safer, more reliable, and more sustainable solutions for multifamily buildings everywhere.